Say twinkle, twinkle, little star.
It has it. But that's my name I'm looking for.
The aftermath. Christmas morning.
Yeah. A sucker for you.
Yeah?
Piece of sucker. It's by you. It's
Hello.
Here, it's by Steve.
The cleanup begins. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, everyone. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Look at the camera.
Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Whose birthday is it today?
Austin.
No, it's not. Whose birthday is today?
Dida.
Right. David's being sneaky. He put a hole in the side of his candy cane so he could eat the candy. Say bye.
Bye.
Give kisses. Thank you.